Who do you think watering the plants correctly, Paheli or Bujo? Why? Let us check through an activity what is wrong in the method of watering by Bhujo. Take two weeds or unwanted plants of the same kind. Uproot them carefully so that their roots do not break. Plant one of the weed in the soil taken in pot A. Cut off the roots from the other weed and plant it in the soil in pot B. Water them regularly and observe the plants after 1 week. Are both the plants healthy? We can see that the plants without roots have wilted. Vada. Why the plant has wilted? Because it does not has any roots to absorb water. Let us do another activity. Take a glass bowl or a glass. Spread cotton inside the bowl or glass. Keep some gram seeds that are soaked overnight on the cotton. Keep the arrangement near a glass window so that it gets sufficient sunlight. Keep the cotton wet by sprinkling water every day. The seeds start germinating in 2-3 days. They grow to seedlings or small plants in 1 week. We can see that it is very difficult to uproot these seedlings from the wet cotton. It proves that plant roots anchor or hold the plants firmly in the soil. So, what are the functions of plant roots? Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. They anchor or hold the plant firmly on the ground. Some plants store food in their root. We have seen that there are different kinds of stems and leaves. Do roots also show a variety? Let us find out. Go to an open ground where many weeds are growing. Dig out few weeds. Wash the soil from the roots. Are roots of all these plants the same? Some roots like this have a main root called taproot and many smaller roots called lateral roots. Roots like this do not have a main root. All the roots seem similar and this type of root is called fibrous root. See the venation in fibrous root plants. The veins in their leaf go parallel. In taproot plants, the veins form a network. So we can tell that fibrous root plants have parallel venation on their leaf. Taproot plants have reticulate venation on leaves. Copy the table 7.2 into your notebook and fill the boxes with suitable examples. We have learnt that roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and the stem conducts these to leaves and other parts of the plant. The leaves prepare food. This food travels through the stem and it is stored in different parts of the plant. We eat some of these as roots like carrot, radish, sweet potato, turnip, and tapioca. We also eat many other parts of a plant where the food is stored. This stem is like a two-way street, carrying water from root to leaves and food from leaves to other parts.